Hello everyone. A project IRWCMS is going to be start very soon. How to work on the IRWCMS and how it will work, I will give you some guidelines on this. First of all, go to the Google, search IRWCMS. IRWCMS. Here you will get the site. Now enter the login ID and the password provided by the ADP center. If someone has not taken this login ID, may get from the ADP center and the sign in. When you will sign in, it will open like this. In this project, engineering branch and other branch will send the PG, BG, and the agreement for the wettings and the variations and bills and the new works, which will come on through this IRWCMS. But for vetting the agreements, we must install Chris Signer in our PCs. So how to install the Chris Signers, I will tell you only very easy and very short this. After that, more trainings will also be given to you. For that, first of all, go to the help menu. Click the help menu and go there, setup of the DSC for the live run. This is the live run. This is the original site, and the work has been started on this. Now the screen will appear like this. First of all, download the Chris Signer. Here you will get the Chris Signer and keep it in a folder and save it in anywhere in your computer. I have already saved it in the computer. I will show it you in my computer. You can anywhere save this Chris Signer. This is my Chris Signer is downloaded already. This is the Chris Signer which I have downloaded. Now this is in the zip form. Unzip it here and extract the files here, and the folder will be shown like this. Now go to the Chris Signer and Chris Signer will be this, and run as administration. This click it and run as administration. Now when you will run it, it will not work properly because Java is not loaded in it. When the Java will be loaded, it will work. Now how to download the Java? There are some settings also in the Java. Now go here and type the Java. If Java is installed, there it will be written the Java configuration, but there Java is not installed. Therefore go to the Google site and download the Java and install the Java, which is very easy. Open the Google. Java download. Here you will agree and start the free download. The Java setup will be downloaded, and then run the Java. Install the Java. Java is installing now. Now Java has successfully installed. Now close it, and there are some settings in the Java. Now go there, search the Java. Now Java installed, there will come the configure the Java. Now configure the Java. The screen will look like this. Go to the security. In the security, there are some sites which we will have to be add. However, I have already added the sites, therefore it is showing all the sites. You will go to the edit the site list. Here the screen will appear like this. Then click the add. There 3 sites will be added. First, copy the same site of IRWCMS where we are working. Copy this site with Control C and go to the Java and add in this. Secondly, copy one HTTP link from the help menu. That is from where I will tell you that go to their Java configuration. Now copy this site HTTP 127.0.01/2030. Copy this from here, and this will also be added in the Java configuration. Then it will work. Control C, and now go to the Java configuration. Add this site also here, as already this site has been added, and then add this. OK. Then click the OK. Now go to the Chris Signer at the desktop. There will be a sign like this. Now right click, run as administrator. Yes. Now Chris Signer service has been started successfully. Okay. Java should be 8 and above. Now you will look here. The Chris Signer is working. This is the Chris Signer is must for the signing the agreements. Now one thing more to be noted, Chris Signer may be already installed in your PC, but Chris Signer downloaded only from this side will work properly. Now if once Chris Signer is working, then mapping will be done. The mapping will be done by the admin in the ADP center. If please contact the ADP center for mapping. If you have IR login ID in the IRW's IR EPS, then there is no need of the mapping. If you don't have any ID in the IR EPS, then mapping will also be done with your key. Please come with your key and the mapping will also be done. Then it will work in the IRWCMS. Shortly next training will also be given. Thank you.